While local trains, which are considered the lifeline of Mumbai city, have resumed, but it's only for the essential services. Many people who have resumed work are yet to be allowed to be able to use these train services. Now, this morning, people gathered at the railway station and on the tracks in Nalasopara in Palghar district, which is adjoining Mumbai, demanding they be allowed to use the railway services. The people who gathered there were waiting for state transport buses, but because of the delay, the frustrated crowd then gathered at the railway station.
The fact is that the state government maintains that essential services will be allowed on the local trains, while there are a lot of people who've been allowed to go to work with the mission Begin Again. Now, just to give you an idea of how many people these trains used to carry in the pre-lockdown days, 75 lakh passengers daily. So these scenes of crowded local trains crisscrossing around the city is something that's we've seen for a long time, but all of that will have to change given that the COVID-19 pandemic and crowded trains obviously can't be allowed. So what the state government has done is that it has allowed only a select category of people. That includes essential services and then some other categories like defense personnel, income tax, GST personnel, Mumbai Port Trust personnel, Raj Bhavan officials. All of these people have been allowed to travel on the local trains. Now, the local train system in India, in Mumbai, is such that Mumbai is a linear city. So in the far-flung suburbs, the train picks up people in the morning, brings them to South Mumbai and the central business districts, and then takes them back in the evenings. That's the pattern Mumbai follows. This morning what happened was all the people who, because they've not been allowed on the trains, were traveling by state transport buses, and you can see, I mean, if we can, we'll show you when those trains come. They're running pretty empty now, but this morning when the buses didn't arrive on time, people thronged the railway station to try and get on a train. That's when the police had to intervene and stop them. Clearly in those pictures you can see people wearing masks but no social distancing at all. So all in all, you know, these are situations that have to be avoided to stop the spread of the coronavirus pandemic, and clearly this morning seems to have been one slip up.